everyone, today I have a new recipe to show you guys and my eating too. So I want to teach you about everyone about how to make noodle salad. You can see this is noodle everyone, vegetable, and also this we call fish paste, hot dog, garlic, and also some ingredient of it like noodle and also fish also. Let me show how to cook it. Let me show how to make it everyone. So first we put garlic. Everyone, this is chili. I put just only 2 because of I don't like it so much. SMG, salt of noodle, parts of fish everyone. I put just some of it because of it a lot. Then we mix it. Fish everyone, fish sauce, sugar palm everyone, then we mix it like this. Lemon everyone, after that we put some vegetable which we like the most. For me, I choose just only 4 of vegetable, mean cabbage, mean carrot, mean tomato, eggplant too. So we put 4 of this vegetable to merge with this. Tomato, eggplant, carrot, cabbage everyone. We put just some of it, and then we merge it. Meatball everyone, we also put meatball to be delicious of our noodle salad. We make it everyone. Wow, it looks like so yummy. Everyone, can you taste it yummy or not? Then we put noodle. Everyone, I cannot wait anymore for eating it because of it look like so yummy. Wow. everyone. I choose fruit to eat with this one. So I choose watermelon to eat with noodle salad. We just eat only noodle salad, but to be delicious. Wow, our watermelon is so red. Wow, everyone, our noodle salad is also make it. Sorry, it's already make it. So I choose to eat it with watermelon to be delicious. So let me eat and tell you guys about its taste. Wow, everyone, look at this. Wow. Eat it with cabbage, everyone. It tastes so good, everyone. It is so yummy. Yummy. Wow. The best taste. Oh, it's very hot, everyone, because of the chili. So when we hot, we eat watermelon to be a cold. Wow. It's so good up it tastes, and it is so sweet too. Everyone, now it is so cold because of the sky is raining right now. Can you see the raining, everyone? Wow. So it is very cold. hot everyone because of chili. Everyone, this food is easy to cook and easy to make it. You can do follow my video from the start until the end of this video. It has just a little ingredient, but we have a yummy food like this to eat. So now I think it is the time to say goodbye everyone. Let me say goodbye and don't forget help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about food, about landscape like this to show you, and about delicious food and eating too. So now I think it is the time to say goodbye. Let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video.